Hello Internet. In this video I'm doing an out-of-box review of another garage light that was sent to me, and this is by a company called Phi Heart, and it's really a bright light. You can see it here. I already have it here for this introduction here, but it's an amazingly bright garage light, the brightest I've ever seen. Now, I plan on giving this light away, so watch to the very end of the video. It's about a $30 value, and there is an Amazon affiliate link below if you want to purchase on Amazon. But if you want a chance for the giveaway, watch to the very end, and I'll tell you how you can qualify. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. If you like garage time and working on do-it-yourself projects, then Scott's Garage is a place for you. Welcome to my channel. First of all, here's the lights I have in here right now. These are already very bright LED lights. I am very satisfied overall with the light in the garage. This is a lot brighter than most garages, and you can see a video where I basically added 2 more light sockets to the ceiling. You can see how I did that in the card here above. And so it really has exceeded my expectations. It's plenty bright the way it is. But in this video, we are going to test an LED, a brighter LED panel light. And before we do that though, I'm just gonna open the garage door, we'll go outside and we'll do kind of like a before and after. Again, this is with plenty of light as it is. Okay, I'm standing outside my garage, a little bit of moonlight up there. And this is the before, so this is what my already well-lit garage looks like as I open it. And you can see that it's very well lit, just with these very simple LEDs. But having said that, I have these 2 garage lights sent to me. Each company asked me to make a video, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll do a separate video though for each one. And for this first video, we are going to test this light, and it is by Phi Heart LED garage light. You can see the specs on there. And this one has 6 of these panels, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also has LEDs in the center, and let's take it out of the box. It says in the box here, energy savings 85%, efficient heat dissipation design, and deformable LED panels. And I think it's just by a Chinese translation, but you can bend the panels. They call it deformable. We probably would call it formable. You can position them. So it comes with instructions. Amazon is referenced here if there's any problems with the light. They will give us a replacement. Okay, so nicely packaged. It's very heavy. I think it's heavier than the Costco garage lights that I did a video on a while back. So again, you can see here the 6 panels, cover for the threads there. And they call this deformable. It just means that, again, that the panels, you can manipulate them quite a bit. Shining straight down, or if you want to shine it more on the ceiling or the wall. Okay, let's see what this thing can do. Okay, so you can angle these if you want. If you wanted, like I'm shining on my car more there, or more ceiling light. And you have some options there. Play around with it. Okay, I'm standing outside in the dark. Let's give this a try. Okay, you can see that it is incredibly bright. My son's girlfriend said that this light is brighter than the sun, and that's really not much of an exaggeration. It is so bright in here, it does look like it's brighter than if you were standing outside. And if I can record underneath the light, so bright it's even kind of hard to do that. But I like it because it also has the LEDs in the center. It makes use of that space. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Now, if you're interested in this super bright light, there is an affiliate link below, an Amazon affiliate link. However, I'm giving this light away. I'm sharing the wealth, if you will. And to qualify for this giveaway, you need to do two things. First, give me a like on the video. Secondly, make a comment. And somewhere in the comment, simply write brighter than the sun. After I reach 500 likes or 500 comments, I will do a separate live video, and I'll do a random drawing from those comments, and we will pick a winner. As usual, have a great day.